Hi guys! So today we have a mini homegrown brands haul. So what inspired this video was that a lot of you commented about how you loved my HAMSA Evil Eye hanging, which I bought for the house. I haven't really been shopping a lot over the past year or so. I barely buy stuff now because, you're not really going out. So like clothes and things like that, I haven't really been buying a lot of. But yeah, I have been buying some stuff from some homegrown brands. So I thought since a lot of you asked me where that was from, I'd do a whole haul with some stuff that I recently bought. So number one is obviously this guy that I don't have right now because he is hanging in my house. So you guys saw this in my last vlog. This is from an Instagram store called RIHAA Stories. I randomly came across them in, that sponsored whatever thing, the marketing thing. So it does work, yeah. And I bought it, which is how I buy a lot of stuff off Instagram nowadays. That happens to me a lot, by the way. And you guys know I have an Evil Eye HAMSA obsession. Like I have my bracelets that I wear every day, cushion at the back. I'm sure there are like 10 more Evil Eyes around here. I just love it. I don't like do it as a nazar thing. I just love the whole look and like feel of it. And which is why I love to have it around my house or on my wrist and things like that. And I just find it really pretty. So for me, as soon as I saw that hanging on Instagram, I was like, oh my god, I have to buy this for our window because we had a hand of HAMSA there earlier, which broke during the cyclone that we had like a couple of months ago. And I thought this would be a perfect replacement for that. So this is from RIHAA Stories. The first one I ordered actually came broken and they very sweetly sent me the second one again, and let me keep the first one because two things weren't broken. So that's what I did in my vlog. You guys saw that I rearranged them and placed them anyways around the earlier one. So I will definitely say they had great customer service. Really liked it. So this was for $9.99. If you're someone that loves like Evil Eye and Hand of HAMSA like I do, you should get this for your house. You really like it. It's really pretty and I'm really happy with the way it looks on our window. Up next, we have the newest purchase, which is this mug. So actually, Weber bought me this. Weber buys me all my tea mugs. It's just a thing. I don't know, for years, he's been gifting me mine. And I just, we were at FABINDIA buying some of the supplements, the poppers that we have. What are they called? Tulsi and Haldi and all that. And, I was like looking at this mug and he was like, you want it or what? And I was like, yeah, my old mug is really old. So he bought it for me. But yeah. This is from their new collection. Like I believe they have a cheaper, newer range, which I've been seeing on social media. So this was $3.99. Really love the colors on it, that it's like orange in this and the look and feel of it. And it comes with a dhakkan as well, which is really nice because then you can cover your tea if you want to, or you can also use this on the side for like a couple of cookies, or if you have a tea bag, like to rest the tea bag after. I really like this addition to it because I always struggle, or to put your spoon on the side. I always struggle with those things once the cup is ready. And it's a nice big size, so it's not as big as my last mug, but I'm someone that drinks a lot of chai and I like a nice big mug. So yeah, have about 3 of these in a day. Okay, next up we have 2 separate pieces of blue pottery that I bought off Amazon, guys, for my bathroom, the back bathroom that I wanted to just have like pretty stuff with the new window, right? So we redid the window and I thought this would be really nice to have like a pretty tray, either to put plants or to actually put like my shampoo and like toiletries and stuff like onto this. And then this for my soap. So again, separate orders. They happen to be the same design, which is what I was looking for, which is why I ordered them. This one, of course, I had very bad luck with. So I had ordered 2 first, okay. One came broken and then I had to return the whole order because I couldn't keep one. So I returned that and then I again reordered it, and this one is also slightly chipped. But then I just decided to keep it because I don't want to go through the whole return process again. I'm just going to paint this a little blue and it'll be fine. So this one was $2.99, the soap dish. Really pretty. I love blue pottery. I have a lot of blue pottery around my house, around this house as well. I always end up buying blue pottery. This guy was $6.99, so about 700 and 300. Blue pottery just looks really, really pretty. And what I love about it is that it's not that expensive, right? So if you actually buy it, I guess, from, you know, the blue pottery stores and stuff like that in Jaipur, it's much cheaper, obviously. But if you can, you know, even online, it's cheap to buy, and it just really, really lifts like the decor of your house. Like, imagine seeing this in a bathroom versus like a plastic ugly soap dish, right? Like this any day. So got these. Then we have this guy. I got myself a new spiky bracelet because why not? Okay, so this is from BAZAAR, which is a homegrown jewelry brand. I've actually been looking for this, like, you know, you guys know I'm obsessed with spikes, right? And I buy a lot of spiky stuff and wear a lot of spiky stuff. Now, a lot of my older spiky bracelets have broken or rusted, or, you know, I just haven't like had access to. And now I don't really wear them as much, but I love spikes. So I saw this again on Instagram from BAZAAR, and I thought, oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love it, and I got it. So this was for 1400, but again, it's handmade jewelry, really, really pretty. And it's something I will definitely wear a lot. You guys know I love my spikes, and with me, with bracelets, it's like a thing. So I bought this around my birthday, I think around August. But yeah, this was like my birthday gift to me. Which is why I was like, it's fine, Sherry, just get it. You like it, get it. Got this. And last but not the least, we have this guy. So this massive thing is a puzzle mat. It's not for a baby, it's for a dog. It's by this brand called For the Love of Dog. I actually saw Mars's brother using this on Instagram, and I thought, oh my god, this looks really cool. And you guys know I had a snuffle mat for Mars, which I bought anyways. And I thought this would be a great addition since he likes doing that. It's really interactive. So you stuff the treats in here, like all over. Like there are a zillion, you know, hiding jagas. And then the dog has to sniff it out or, you know, find it and eat it. And it's like, if you don't want to really play with them, but you want them to like do something interactive, this is really pretty good for that. It is expensive. It's not cheap, but it's quite big. Like the mat is huge, and this is something you're going to use for a really like long time. So if you have a pet, it's worth investing in. This was for 2499, and Marzi loves it. So guys, that's all the stuff in this homegrown brand haul. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this haul and you want to see more of these random hauls, because I don't really shop a lot right now. Even the pair of Zara jeans that I bought in my vlog, I've returned because I'm going to try and DIY in them. So I just feel like I don't shop a lot nowadays, and this is the kind of stuff I buy, like more home decor, more Mars, and just random pieces that I like. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this haul and you want me to do more of these hauls. I can do them every few months when I collect enough things. And yeah, that's it. Comment below with your favorite item from the haul. See you guys.